Hi friends, this is Ganesh. So in this today's topic, we'll start with the aptitude. So in the last video, we just discussed about number system. You just go through this, and today we'll start with aptitude, that is averages. So friends, you may learn the aptitude topic on averages. You may have learned in some lecture videos, or you may refer some of textbooks, or you may you can do the average sums with the usage of formulas. But here we will be not using any formulas. We will be not using any formulas in averages. We will be doing all the sums in a shortcut. See, all the questions I am telling here are from the previous questions, right? So all the questions I am going to put here is the previous questions which are asked in SSC, or it may can be asked in bank examinations. So right, so you know that. So what is the basic definition of averages? So you will be telling that what is average. So average is equal to sum by total. Average is equal to sum by total. You will be telling like this, right? Average is equal to sum by total. You will be telling like this. So average is equal to sum of terms by total number of terms you will be telling. So for example, if the so this is the formula of average, right? This is the formula of average. But initially we should get the definition of average. We should get the definition of average. So how can we get the definition of average? How can we get the definition of average? So we can get the definition of average is, see, let me tell that I'm having 10 shirts. I'm having 10 shirts. I'm having 10 shirts. There are 3 people. I have to distribute. Let me assume that I'm having 5 people. I'm having 5 people. Now see, I have to distribute these 10 clothes to these 5 people. I should distribute these 10 clothes to 5 people. What is my average in this case? So total number of shirts are how many? 10. What is my, so what is the sum? Right, you can be, so what are the total number of shirts? 10. So what is the number of people you are having? You are having 5. So average is equal to 2. Means what? So for each and every person I can distribute how many shirts? I can distribute 2 shirts to each and every person, right? Now see, I'll tell you the definition of average here. See, means what? For example, I'm having 10 shirt, I'm having 5 people with me. Like those, let me those 2 people, those 5 people be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he is the first person, he is the second person, he is the third person, he is the fourth person, he is the fifth person. So if I give out of 10 shirts to out of 10 shirts, if I give 4 shirts to this guy, I have given 4 shirts to first person. So remaining 3 shirts to this person. I'll be giving one shirt to this, one shirt to this fourth boy and fifth boy. Now, if someone come and ask me that how you distributed these 10 shirts to these 5 people, if someone come and ask me that how you distributed these 10 shirts to these 5 people, now what you will be telling? Is it correct to tell that I given 4 shirts to first person, I given 3 shirts to second person, I given 1 shirt to third person, I given 1 shirt to fourth person, I given 1 shirt to fifth person? Is it correct? This is not correct because I cannot tell like this. So what I'll be telling now? I'll be taking average. So what is the average? So here is the average. Here is the average. So what average basically does? Equal distribution of the things. Equal distribution of things means what? I'm distributing 2 shirts to each person. I'm distributing two shirts to each person. So can I tell that 2 is the average? Right? So this is the formula of average. So what is meant by average? So equal distribution of all the things or something else. So equal distributing to among all the people is called averages. Right? You got the definition of average right now. So this is the basic definition of average. Then we'll be moving to the some problems. We'll be discussing with the properties, and then we'll be moving to the problems. Right? You just pause the video and note all these things. I think with this you got the definition of average, and you get the difference between the uh, formula and definition, right? So with this I'll be ending up this video, and from the next video I'll be starting the properties, and then we'll be moving for the previous problems. Thank you.